We got 11 days left. I already know what about to happen. So December 31st, you're gonna open your notes app and you're gonna type new year, new me, list of 47 goals for the next year. What are you gonna do for the next 40 to 20 minutes? You are unstoppable. And by January 15th, you even don't remember like the half of the things you actually wrote. So I'm not saying you these kind of things to attack you, because I did the exact same thing for years. But this year, I actually figured out something that worked for me. I was doing my goal, my own thing, and I thought, okay, let's make this video and upload this one. Here's the part no one actually talks about. Our resolution, don't fail because you're lazy. So they fail because, you're setting exactly the same way everyone does. So, I want to get fit and learn a new skill or make more money. Which one, when exactly, or when does fit actually look like you have to define what you want to do, which time, and how many hours you can actually put in a single day or in a week or in a month. I spent years doing this one, writing those big dreams and feeling motivated for a weekend. Then life happened, it goes all over the place, then I forgot what I ever wanted actually. So this year I just pick one thing, learning AI and how I can actually implement AI in my day-to-day task. This includes my university, my business, my life, and that's it. One goal and one end results after 6 months. I broke it down in goals type. In every week I have to learn a single set of things that I can actually use AI. Then every single month I have to replace one of my tasks with AI by using automation, by using tools, by using software, by using some kind of thing that AI has been used. I wasn't chasing every single thing. I actually finished the one that actually mattered to me at that time. First of all, let me guess what you're thinking right now. I don't have, or I don't know what I want to do. I don't have any goal plan. I don't have any roadmap what I want to be after 3 years or after 2 years. I don't know what I'm actually good at. So I need someone that actually can help me to figure it out. Your brain loves keeping you in that I don't know phase. So if you don't know, you can stay comfortable and you can blame it that you don't have the clarity yet, right? You have an entire year to figure it out what you're gonna do, what you love doing most. And if you're being honest with yourself, you're still on the same spot, right? We're gonna actually change this one for next year, or it actually start from now, right now. Step 1, grab a pen and paper. Write this down. What do you want to see yourself doing 6 months from now? Not 5 years, not someday. It's exactly 6 months. June 2026. And be specific, not be successful, be happy. Not that's not a goal, that's a feeling, by the way. So you have to be very specific and you have to have a deadline or a timeline. So for example, I want to be a freelance web designer making $3,000 a month. Or you can say, I want to learn a new language, and every single week I'm gonna write one page of a story based on the learnings I had that week. So if you're sitting there like, I literally don't know what I'm good at or what should I do, that's fine. I made something for you. I built these 2 prompts that change everything for me. The first one helps you figure out, what you should even focus on. You tell it about yourself, what you enjoy, what you have done before, and it shows you angles you didn't even realize you had. And the second one takes your goal and break it down month by month, week by week. So it gives you an actual task list for a week. It gives you the dopamine hit that you are doing something. The bigger goals after 6 months or after 1 year, it's going to take a lot of time. So down the road or in the middle ground, you're going to lose the motivation, you're going to lose the momentum. But if you are going for a weekly goal oriented system, you're going to have the momentum build up and it will have a compound effect. So after 2 weeks or after 2 months, you're going to have you already had a lot of progress. So you'll find the link below, grab both of the prompts and how to use them actually. And yeah, just click it, drop your email, and I will send it to your email inbox. One more thing before I wrap this video, do not put be more disciplined or work out more in your New Year goals. These aren't goals, by the way. These are the things that you have to do anyway. You don't need a resolution to take care of your body. That's a baseline thing for you, and that's just being alive. Eat clean, do workout in your home if you don't go to gym. If you want to just stay healthy, that's pretty much it. Touch some grass, go outside. Yeah, you got the point. You want to have motivation today and tomorrow, and after 1 week maybe you have the motivation, but what happened after 1 week? You need another motivation video, and you need another motivation post or something to keep you going. But how long you can actually go there? Because once you have a disciplined lifestyle, it's very it become easy for you to reach any goal you have, to be honest. Here's what happens next. So you finish this video, right? Tonight, just spend 30 to 50 minutes with them. Talk with AI. Just you don't have to worry about the grammatical things, the wordings and anything. Just rant, just yap with AI and just say everything you have in your mind. Just say, I can only give 2 hours a day, I can give only 1 hours a day, I only get 3 hours of time, then I only sleep for 4 hours. Then based on this one, give me the routine, give me the breakdown, give me the timeline, and I'm gonna give it everything to you. No more I will figure it out eventually. So no more wasting energy and being confused. 6 months from now, when it is June next year, you're gonna look back and you're gonna be actually proud of yourself. If you do this work for the next 1 month, it's gonna look very small, very negligible, right? But if after 2, 3, 4, 6 months, you're gonna have a compound effect. You're gonna say, oh, I did a lot of things. Write it down. Let's make it real, because when you make yourself accountable, maybe in my comment or maybe in online, or maybe just write it down and make it set as a wallpaper. It just keep reminding you that why you are doing this one. That why thing is very important for you to figure it out. The why I'm doing this thing, why I'm gonna wake up every single day and do this kind of thing. When you have a why so much big, you can actually work for 6 hours, 7 hours. It's actually 3 a.m. in the morning, so I have a class at 10 a.m. And then this class gonna be stays for until 5 p.m. So I'm doing this one because I know my why. I have a why so big that this kind of thing actually looks fun to me. I really love making videos and talking with the camera, and yeah, that's the reason I make videos at late night. Look, ladies and bro, 2026 doesn't have to be like 2025. So you don't need to keep lying to yourself, just give false hope that you are gonna write down all the things, you're gonna discipline, you're gonna stick, you're gonna have a good habit. Don't lie to yourself. You already give yourself this kind of false hope actually this year, right? So I would actually suggest you to look at two things. One is making a YouTube channel, because you want to have some kind of skill that other people might get benefited from. So make a YouTube channel, just make videos. And the second one you can do is AI automations for your own life, so it makes your life a little bit easier. So all of these things that I actually shared with you, this actually worked for me. You gotta do the work, you gotta put hours. I know you got this, you are not alone. If you feel down sometimes, that's pretty normal. You're gonna feel down, you're gonna have ups and downs in your motivation level, but just keep going. You got this, and I'm gonna see you in the next year. All the best wishes to you and to your family, and Happy New Year. Peace.